Hey, this is Nika. If you want to get this look, or you want to see how I did this look, please continue to watch this video. So hey, let's jump right into it so you can get to see how I came up with this really look. Thank you for coming, thank you for watching. If you're subscribed, thank you for subscribing, and for those who are just coming up just to watch, thank you for watching. Thank you for being here on the video, and I hope you watch all the way to the end. I already did my wings in the shape that I want it to be. So what I'm gonna do is place some color in those wings, and I'm gonna place some glitter on it as well. And I'm gonna do the same thing to the top. I already did my brows. And if you hear a lot of noise going on, I'm so sorry. Today it is raining. It's raining outside. I was stopped up and very stuffy, so if you can't understand certain things I'm saying in some of the parts of the video, I'm very sorry. I'm sorry I'm slightly out of the camera frame. I do apologize again for that. Right here I'm just going in with some dual lash glue so I can place my glitter on top of that area. Now I'm just placing glitter where I placed the glue at. And I'm sorry that my hand is in the way, but I'm doing the same thing to the opposite side. You can end the looks like this right here and just set in front of foundation. But I'm not. I'm going to go a step further. And I'm doing the same thing I did to my wing. I'm basically going to put some dual lash glue on top of that color. And I'm also going to add some glitter onto the lid. And of course, I'm doing the same thing to the other side as well. Going in with my spoolie to clean up all the fallout from the glitter. Putting some dual lash glue on my lash line. I also put some dual lash glue on the band of the falsies, and I press them into my lashes to get them to stick and stay in place.
putting some foundation on a smaller brush to go around my eyebrows so that they won't have that halo effect. With a small angle brush and a dark concealer, I'm sculpting around my nose. Now I'm taking a lighter concealer to bring some brightness to my forehead, under the eyes, and my nose, on the bridge of my nose. With a triangular powder puff that has been sprayed with my setting spray, I will go in all the places that I have put the light concealer to buff and blend everything out. To bring more definition to my nose, I went back in with that small angle brush, the same brush. I did not use any extra product. I just went back in to just define the nose a little bit more. I'm going in with some setting powder in the shade Translucent. Everything I used today in this video, I will definitely put in the description box so you guys can see what it is. Anyway, what I'm going to do is put my setting powder on in all the places that I want it to be in. Once I have done that, I will immediately brush it away. I won't let it set because I don't want to have a ghostly outcast or look or a bad flashback from it being so bright. Right here, I'm just basically putting some mascara on my bottom lashes. I'm sorry you guys can barely see me. Then I'm going in with some blush. Now I'm going in with some highlight. Now with a dark brown liner, I'm basically outlining my lips so that I can do a nude lip. I put some highlight on my cupid's bow and my nose. I will list my other social medias in the description box, so please be sure to check those out.
This is the kind of look, you guys, that I would love this to look. It's very cute. If you don't, if it's something I did that you don't like, do it the way you like it. But for the most part, this is it. This is the end of this video. And like I said again, I want to thank all you guys for coming to watch the channel. I want to thank all you guys who are subscribed, and I want to thank everybody who does show love. I just want to thank any and everybody that does support me and show love for me and what I do. So again, thank you. I will see you guys in the next video. Okay, bye.